Did you know that Death Valley holds a temperature record so deadly that your body literally starts cooking itself alive? In 1913, it hit 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the point where human cooling systems completely shut down. But here's the weirdest survival story from that desert. In 1996, 2 German tourists got stranded when their rental car died. For 6 straight days, temperatures soared to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. One tourist made a decision, and that sounds completely insane. He stripped naked and buried himself in the sand during the hottest parts of the day. His friend thought he lost his mind and decided to walk for help instead. Here's the shocking twist. The naked guy survived because sand 3 feet down stays cool like nature's air conditioning. But his friend who tried walking, he died from hypothermia. His core temperature hit 108 degrees, and his organs started shutting down one by one while he was still awake. Sometimes the craziest idea is actually the smartest one.